Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. Today I will be sharing Hariyali chicken kebab recipe and also little bit of shopping from Costco while it is snowing. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do sure like, share and subscribe to my channel Live Tasty Be Happy. Now let's get started. At first I am preparing green chili paste. I am running out of green chili paste in my kitchen. So I have just taken enough green chilies. To that nothing I added, only salt and little bit of water. Nicely grind it to fine paste and I am adding whole lot of olive oil. Olive oil and salt will keep your green chili paste shelf life a little longer. In fridge itself it will stay for up to 2 months or 3 months too. If you want to keep a little longer, you can freeze them also as like cubes. I did it for mint chutney. Now our green chili paste is very much ready. Couple of videos back, I showed you how to freeze mint. That is what I'm going to use today for making Hariyali chicken tikka. So I'm taking 2 cubes, one big and one small. For this amount of chicken, I need little extra. So I'm taking one more piece of mint and I will keep it to defrost. I have taken hung curd, that is approximately 3 tablespoons and 3 tablespoons to 4 tablespoons of cream and 1 tablespoon of mint chutney and 1 teaspoon of green chili paste, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, kasuri methi, pepper, salt, lemon juice, and followed by this I will be adding oil or butter, either of the one you can take and mix in here. I have just taken 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil and a pinch of green food color, optional. Green food color will give you a live color to your hara kebab. Definitely add for parties if it is so. Nicely give it a good mix and prepare this tikka masala and then we will go to the next step. I have taken chicken breast pieces and made it into cubes like this. This kebab will be very tasty and juicy as we have added yogurt, cream and very light flavors. The intense flavor of mint only will be highlighted here. This I am marinating previous day night itself for next day lunch. Now next day lunchtime I am preparing a rice that is full of veggies. You can see I have taken carrot, beans, little bit of salt in oil. I have just given a saute as it was out of the freezer. You know, vegetables I cut and keep to use any time I need. To that I am adding whole lot of cabbage. Today I am preparing the rice just like that of fried rice. I will not be giving too much of strong flavors like adding soya sauce or vinegar, but only pepper and salt I will be adding in this rice. Nicely give it a good mix and I will be adding only pepper, give it a good mix and then I will be layering it with the rice and giving it a dum. It is a little different way of making fried rice, I would say. Not too much overcooked also, but whole lot of veggies loaded in this rice, you can see. Just in 5 minutes, our awesome vegetable loaded fried rice is very much ready to go by the side of Hariyali chicken tikka kebab. Give it a nice good mix. Now our rice is ready. Next we will be preparing our skewers. Skewers, always you know I have these skewers. I bought these skewers from Amazon. The normal wooden skewers also you can use, which is very easy. Soak them in water and then use whenever you use wooden skewers. Do not miss out the masala in the bowl also. Take it and splash it over the kebabs itself. It will keep your kebabs moist when it is frying. Either you can bake them or air fry them or even simply on the stove top tawa, like just how I am doing, you can do it. Not necessary you should have a grill tawa like this. Normal plain tawa in which you make roti or paratha or dosa also is okay. Nicely give twists and turns for every 2 to 3 minutes, and also if you want you can give a nice splash of butter on top also. Now our Hariyali kebab is very much ready. I have also kept ready with the salad. This salad is always a must in our plate in our house. You would have seen in many of my videos. Definitely I will fill up my plate with salad, and this rice also has whole lot of veggies. And now it's time for adding up proteins, that is our awesome lovely kebabs, that is Hariyali chicken tikka kebab. Any sauce of your choice you can just drizzle on top and serve it hot. That's it. Our lunch time is over, and late in the afternoon we went to Costco. I had to buy some sweet treats for giving it to my friends because it is holiday time and there are a lot of offers going on in Costco for every type of chocolates and candies and cookies. And these David cookies are awesome cookies which I never miss out. Every winter season these cookies will come. They are very, very soft and tasty ones. Already recipe is also there on my channel. Go and check for snowball cookies which I have made last year. All over US, Canada, you will find these cookies at the time of winter, that is Christmas to New Year. Here at this time you will see nice good variety of chocolates, candies and even cookies. This full 2 to 3 aisles full of chocolates and candies. You will see different varieties especially for this winter, that is Christmas and New Year as well. At this time only we also will have whole lot of gatherings, parties for which we will be taking some gifts. And candies and chocolates are great way of taking along with us. So I am going to buy some of the variety over here. That's it. I came to buy very few things from Costco today. These sweet treats to share with some of the friends for party. And as well as I had to buy some non-veg from here in Costco here in Canada. I also see halal meat counter over here. I have come to buy chicken. This is the mostly I take this halal breast pieces and these thigh pieces. Thigh pieces already I have. Next week I have party at home. So for making tikkas or some sheikh kebab or kebabs, I keep this as handy at home. So for that I am buying this. Here also you can find these thigh pieces. Also drumsticks are there, and also full bird, that is full chicken 3 pieces together, as well as minced meat. These are the few things will be available for halal option. Costco is a wholesale shop where you can buy things at the cheaper rate in big and large quantity. That's how few of the basic things which we use in large quantity at home, I pick it up from here. Like onions and all, you can pick it up from here. Nice big bags you will get at a real cheaper price. Even milk, eggs, fruits, vegetables, few of the vegetables are very cheap over here compared to the local market. Today I am just showing you the one side of the Costco, the produce, the dairy and few of the aisles, fridge aisles and these candies and juice. On the other side you can see lot of clothes, utensils, electronic items. Sometimes on that side I will show you. But today when we came out, it was a big surprise and shock as well. In focus it was not showing that it will be snowing this evening. But when we came out, it started to snow. If we know that it is going to snow, we wouldn't have come, because driving while snowing is very, very risky. But we made it. You can see in no time all over, you can see the snow is getting settled. We thought it is just going to be a light showers, but it wasn't. All through the winter you have to change your winter tires, that is snow tires. We have not yet changed. We are not getting appointments so easily, you won't get. So we have to change our tires, snow tires, otherwise it's very, very bad. If you happen to come across any accident, even though the mistake is from the other side, the mistake will be on you because you have not changed the snow tires. That will be the case. For that reason, always when winter starts itself, we should take an appointment and change the tires. Here now you would have seen we use the wiper. Generally when it is snowing you should not use wiper because the ice frozen on the windshield will break your wipers. But now just now the snow started and that snow is not frozen, so we used. Now our shopping is done and straight we will head towards our house. Now can you imagine what the time will be looking at the light outside? It is just 4:30 to 5 o'clock. It became dark so soon. Over here for us evening Maghrib prayer is by 5 o'clock. So you can imagine this 4:30 to 5 itself it became dark all through the road. It was so risky ride. It was like a roller coaster ride. Everywhere snow was just coming on face like it will feel. It was a very difficult ride. But you can see if it is snowing, it will be nice and bright. You don't need light at all. This is what I'm talking about when you walk outside. But while it is snowing, you are driving at your own risk. Just everywhere you can see white bed of snow. Very beautiful to look at, of course. Thanks to Almighty, we reached home safely. All through the way it was snowing. So somehow we made it carefully. That's it for today's vlog. Hope you all liked the recipe for Hariyali chicken tikka and the combo as well. Sure, give it a try and let me know in the comment how you feel the taste. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel Live Tasty Be Happy. Soon I'll be back with another awesome recipe or a vlog. Until then, stay safe, take care and goodbye.